Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Good afternoon. Today in the newspaper, the daily newspaper of Thursday, July the 6th, 2023. Not so good news because in today's newspaper we have only one regular puzzle and it's a medium Sudoku. There are no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No additional. Let me show you. What I will do is I will solve in the evening the rest of the puzzles in yesterday's newspaper, newspaper of Wednesday. Wednesday, July the 5th. Yeah, we have I believe 3 puzzles left. Yeah, let me show you. We have here 3 puzzles left. The letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars, and tectonic with 1 star. I will do these in the evening, of the Wednesday edition, the yesterday's edition. But right now, I will continue or start with the medium Sudoku. What's the news of today? Well, look in this newspaper. Storm Polly was here. We have a storm here and a large storm. Within 2 hours, it has destroyed a lot of things. Summer storm. And it's rare here to have a storm in the summer. Once in 50 years, I believe. Alright, medium Sudoku, number 6709. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. Should be easier than the 1-star puzzle in the additional. The 1-star puzzle has 27 printed digits, and for 1-star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, maybe this one 14 minutes. We don't know. We'll see. Alright, so let's get started. 5 missing numbers here in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here's 7 in the second row, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. Alright. Okay, 9 in this column. Third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Well, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 4, I need a 4 here. Need a 8 here, need a 6 here. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Right. Need a 9 here. Need a 7 here. 7 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here's 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Alright. And now. How about 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 9. We have a 9 in this big square. Wait. 2 of those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 2 and a 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this big square. So no 2 and a 9 in these two boxes. The 2 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 2 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, only place left with 9 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. Need a 6. And I need a alright. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. Well, 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. Yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left in this second column for number the 1. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is the number 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, 9, 4, and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and 8. 1 and 4. Well. How about the number 2. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these two boxes. We have a 2 in this row, middle row, so no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those two boxes in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here 3 in the third row, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 missing numbers now in this second row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 9 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. Here 2 in the column next, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 7, 8. Okay. Then. How about Yeah, I need to think. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Well. 1 and come on, 1 and 4. I need a 1 and a 4 here. 1 and 8. 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7. Well. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. A 1 box left in the third row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright, 2, 3, 4, and the 6. Well. 4 and 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One was the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. We have 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. So we have 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 4 and 5. We have 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers in the middle row are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. So we have 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, 2, no, 5 and 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so no row above, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We see 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I've marked, wait, 7, and 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square one was the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there, finish in 14 minutes. Told you, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.